Yeah, no, it's not the best way to fill holes, but for me, because it's so hard to do, I think it's the best practice I can get. Hot.
Oh wow.
Yeah. So I'm down to 63. Man, it's strong. I'd say it needs probably a bit more juice. 60 to 90, eh, this one?
Yeah.
That's what it said.
Absolutely.
74.
60 and 90.
So judging by this, I would say these are even arguably too thick for this metal and the setting, because when I turned it down, well, yes and no. I mean, when I turned it down, I didn't want to penetrate. Oh, you can, but, oh yeah, sure, watch your eyes, but it sparks right away. Try sparking one nicely. 6011. This is smaller, I think, but I don't know.
Yeah.
I can't tell.
And it's the E.
They're really big. You want to try it? Alright, Mark's turn. Yeah, you don't even need to overthink it. You just go. That's it. Keep it steady. Nice.
Oh, whoops! I still had a bit left.
That's okay.
Wow,
That's the way it should be.
it
Good.
started up right away.
Yep.
Haha. And I'm the amateur.
Dude, if you want, try to like weld that part where there's already a weld, and because you don't have that much left. Yeah, see if you can seal that, like, for practice.
Whoa.
Yeah, keep it controlled.
You don't even have to touch it, eh, at all.
No.
No,
Not
you're not supposed to touch
You're
it.
not supposed to, okay.
Whoa.
Because if you
knock it off.
if you touch it, then you're basically shortening the arc.
Yeah.
You're eliminating it. So you want it to arc. Here, you try one, Dad.
Yeah, here.
So go ahead, do it first.
No, try it. Set up properly. Yeah, here. Just,
It's finally set up good and proper and
yeah.
everything.
Yeah, you should try it like that. Here, take my gloves. Just take those off. Yeah, because you might burn yourself. Here, step over to this side. And what I would do,
Yeah.
I would, I try to poke it down fast.
Yeah. Touching it or?
Yeah, and then pull it away.
Okay.
So you're gonna pull it away
Yeah,
instantly and pull it away to about let's say 1/8 of an inch.
Yeah.
And it's gonna go right away.
Okay.
That's it. So you want it kind of far away when it was sparking. Just do that again. That's it. Go a little bit closer, but don't touch it. Yeah, now keep going. That's it. Here, pull it off, because you're going over the edge a little bit.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Here, try it again, but go in between these two.
Okay.
Yeah, that's it. That's it. That's much better taste.
Okay.
That's it.
And the other thing is, when this is getting smaller, you have to go down a bit.
You're always going down.
Yeah.
So like, you know,
It's hard to get used to how much.
Yeah, that's excellent. Very good.
But see, it's a lot easier, eh? When it's set properly.
Well, we know what we're doing.
A little bit, you know. But now, so that's at 74.
Yeah.
And this is the rod that we want to use to see. Well, you can even film this if you're still filming, Mark.
Yeah.
Because what we did here, we use the other kind of rod, which you can't weld over. You have to clean it 100%. So it got slag embedded in the welds, and it became very, very, very hard to clean.
Porous.
So yeah, so it became very porous and it's not strong. You can see, like, it's anyway. So the project for today is to wire brush this stuff and just go over it with the heavy gouging rod.
Because this penetrates very deeply into it, and is great for if there's rust or welds or other flux or anything on it.
I'm gonna try just to practice. I'm gonna try to just go across here. Not straight. Oh, and that's galvanized. And this can go right through it.
A little bit, but it's it's keeping the same consistency. We're ready.
Burn through. A bit hot. I could tack it too. Yep. I can stand back a bit because I don't know how well I'll be able to control it. Turn it down. 66.
Maybe also this does contact because the thing will also great contact. Good call. Careful. Doesn't really last here. That one's going to try it. These ones. See how it goes. Which one were you using before? Similar to this one. It's the same pipe, but it's a bit different covering on it. The thickness of the metal too. Yeah.
So it makes it tough, a tough place to start. See, look how burned through. So practice my tack over tack. Let's see how this works up here. I'm trying to burn all the flux out of it. which I can do. Just push it all the way to the bottom. And then when I get to the bottom, change my angle. Long arc. Now same thing on this side. Little pack. What's that stuff? Push that pedal down. Fix those guys with Welding. It's tricky. Hack this. Wonder if I can use this again. It's wet.
Burnt and wet.
Let's try it.
I got another 6011 ready for you.
Ay.
But the older gloves, they're, slip on easier.
Yeah. It's not nice.
That's pretty good. It's coming along, eh?
Yeah.
Going to be good seeing.
Yeah, it's
after
time
we
to
put a little bit of
fix
fluff.
the holes after.
Just 4.
Is this the same size I was using?
Unless we have another 6011 on order. Wow. Unless you want to try the small ones again. I don't know why this one's not working, but... Oh. So that's from the tip, but not from where I want to drive them. Just this.
Wonder why. Why? Okay. Alright, let's see what it looks like now. That wasn't bad. Thank you, sir. Part now. That was a lot better than the other one anyway.
Yeah, it's coming.
Yeah.
You're getting
It's probably all burnt in the back there.
No, the reason it burns is
Thanks. It's coming along.
strike it. Sorry. Strike on this thing now.
That wasn't bad. All right. See what kind of mess I made?
On the switches in the back, you turn it off or on?
Yeah.
Okay.
You can use a wire brush and patch up all the holes. Oh, my goodness, touching the other piece.
Oh, it heated up a little?
Yeah, well, the whole piece. Yeah, it was. The wire was resting against this thing.
Mm.
Okay, watch out. Okay. couple of holes to be expected. And it's not. Too bad I had it started nicely. Hard to patch that little end. Yeah. Yeah, it's because there's no power. Slipped. Okay, I think that one's fixed. Some holes up there. Got you. You also. No, I didn't. Okay, now I got you. That wasn't bad.
You want more 6011 or?
The small ones are good actually. The short ones.
Is that the one you're just using or?
Yeah. It's a bit lighter, so to fill the hole. Long arc in it.
It's a lot easier.
Yeah. And there's not I mean, look, it's all bad. Everything. Everything.
Well, this one's good.
I think up here I didn't do. Yeah, and I just had a couple of holes here.
Just a little
Yeah,
tiny
in the
at the
corner.
bottom. This one looks good.
This is losing power. Yes, there's no power in the welder. Oh, something's wrong, something's off. Something is not changed properly. power. Notice that?
Yeah, well, these rods, I guess, for some reason.
Maybe it's the rod. Okay.
Those are regular 6011s.
Yeah, I just wanted to make sure the machine was like transferring power where it should have.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I don't really have many burrs to fill here.
You did a good job with that last time.
Yeah. So we can. Try a different rod also to fill it, because these aren't rods for filling.
7018 maybe?
Or 6013 even.
Mm. But you did what you
I
know,
did,
set
yeah, I
out
did
to.
what I wanted to do. I pushed some of the slag out of the old welds. I know it's naive. I'm disappointed that, you know, there's not new welds over those old ones. Like nice new welds anyway, but they're so ugly.
Been used to it.
You know what? I mean, there's still slag left, but and probably, in all fairness, what's gonna end up happening is that we're just gonna cut these off eventually.
Quite soon, maybe.
Yeah, and make new ones. You know, I'll probably put a plate here, and then we can put like a thicker plate than this anyway.
Mm-hmm.
We can weld it onto the tip and weld it all the way through. And I've got a little bit more to do here. A little bit. I don't like how thin this metal is. It's hard to weld on.
Mm-hmm. I'm thinking about making better doors.
Yeah. That's a bit better, eh?
Let's go continue.
That's what I wanted to do. Need a little pinhole. That's it. Well, initially it was nice, and I just lost it over the hole at the end. Let's see if you look on that end. Yeah.
Yeah, that will look good.
That's all. I think now it should strike better though. Better.
Oh, yeah.
Still some imperfections, but it's a continuous weld. Oh, that's close. When we grind it off, it'll be even nicer. A little space in here. And a little space in here. That's it. That's what I wanted.
Nice.
Even if I warp these, I'm at least proud of that weld. Long arcing.
And now you're getting the knack of it.
Yeah. Well, it's because before I didn't want to burn through.
Oh yeah,
The
and then
metal's so thin. 81. It's a good setting. Yeah, and you know, I know it's bad by like a welding standard, but it's good for me.
we've owned this machine one day.
Yeah.
Our first time using it.
Yeah, I could do up here again even. And then I could push it through there. Could do the upwards ones. That one's nice actually on top.
Yeah, this one's good up top too, I think.
And a hole there, a couple of holes. A bit better.
It's way better, Greg. So,
I lost control of that one. The burn through. Yeah, it feels better. Okay, good. Huh. It's like the nicest one I've ever
What?
done.
I want one.
You want one?
Yeah.
Okay, it's on you.
Oh.
good to go. It's not the same as little weldy. You just have to bring it kind of close and it does it. Or once the tip is broken.
Yeah.
Beautiful arc. Nicely done. Yeah. Really penetrated in there.
Yeah. In the end, got it away from me a little bit, but
It's tough to reposition yourself too.
I'm trying to figure out where to put my hands on this one after I got used to little welding.
It's hard doing it in the air, but
Yeah.
if you brace your elbows against yourself even,
Yeah.
harder. And because the metal is dirty, if you have trouble taking off, take off on your old puddle. You know, over your old weld, because that's the cleanest part of the metal, ironically. Now you're at a dirty part on the metal underneath. Just bring it close to it. You just have to like touch it like a millimeter away. Nicely done. You want another?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I want another.
Yeah, in there, right?
Yeah. I got shit all over the place.
There you go.
Wicked. That's not too shabby.
Oh, nice and thick.
I gotta slow down with my speed as I'm doing it.
Yeah, that's all.
Just keep it concentrated. But I'm happy with that.
Not awful. Not awful. I got one problem to fix here. Gotta fix this little hole here. See that? I'm just gonna end up making it worse, but
Well, they have been for us.
did I get? No, not yet. Got it. Yeah, no, it's not the best way to fill holes, but for me, because it's so hard to do, I think it's the best practice I can get. We can get with the stick welder for control and everything.
Yeah. Oh,
It's hard to fill holes.
Great.
There's no point in having them go to waste. I lost at the end, but not bad, eh? The smaller ones. I don't know why these ones are harder to strike. See that? Now they're hot.
Yeah, maybe for the E. But no, we were using it,
Very different rod though.
yeah,
These are the E?
yep, I think so. Because the other ones are just a 16.
Maybe these ones need more power to operate. On like a kind of like fresh start on the dirty stuff. To see again if I can. Sure.
Yeah.
Yeah, that one was okay. Do I have my arm here nice? My left arm?
Yeah.
That might work for you too. It always depends. It depends on the surface.
And yeah, bracing myself did help.
It's just a question of how and when and where and...
And if you brace both or just one,
So I think probably there's some stuff in these rods.
but it's the E6011 compared to the 6011.
Yeah, at least it started in dirt, you know, it started right away. And you can hear there's a lot more power in the weld at the same setting. Well, the machine is the same. Yeah. Good point. Want to try? You just have to touch it to it.
Here. Thanks. No problem.
It's too small.
No, it's, I think it's,
Okay. That's it. Go slower.
okay, that's very good.
It's good, eh?
Yeah.
It's satisfying.
I could see clearly with this. Very nice.
It's very good.
Yeah, yeah.
You want to try a full one?
No, it's okay.
Yeah? Okay.
Yeah, it's very good. Very good helmet.
So what do you think of the machine?
Great. It's a great machine.
Yeah.
Because it's nice and portable and light. Oh, it's very good.
Not expensive either.
About 500.
260.
Wow.
And that one was 200.
Yeah.
That one's good though, but
Yeah,
it's not the same.
Okay, I think it's these are.
There's burning rubber, yeah.
Here, I have some sandwiches here.
Oh yeah, it smells like rubber.